He's a driver, hard-working and poor. I say he lives.
Thing about 𝐲𝐬𝐤𝐞𝐜. She costs money.
I want to be rich, but my conscience says it's wrong.
No room for conscience. Not in this kind of business. It's blood money.
Shootouts, suicide car chases, pulling loot out, bulletproof scar faces, sharp days, black Clark Gable. Welcome to the dark ages, hanging in dark places with dark faces, escaped on bail. My soul's in the street, police on the coattails. Oh well, got a bitch named Gail. She looked so good, her tail was full sail. If all else failed, she scrambled the reaper. My foot so far in her ass, she could taste my sneaker. I pop champagne like every day was Easter. Better check that bitch before I beat her. Tiny the dough, slice the pizza. Despite the features, I hold the player's crown. I step in your town, snakes get down, bled off around. Check out how it sounds.
Fake pins ain't part of the plan. Need weed, guns, and brands. I can handle that fam. The pie slice, but it's only for fam. A quick six-figure scam. I can handle that man. It's real life. I got blood on my hands and make the product expand. I can handle that fam. The fuck scrams trying to front of my clan. It'll only take a grand just to handle that man. Bottles, pop llamas and glocks. Kamikaze cops. Pop shots off of dollars and blocks. It's the regular, honor my spot. Brother flips, rubber grips, top shot, I stay hot. Swallowing shots, a hand rock, got the shit locked. Whether gators or crocs, wide bodies are drop. Model bitch got dick, never promised the rocks. I'm alive when it's wild, honey, holler for pop. Hustle man, I ain't trying to make a collar for cops. Like the sun in your eye with the knowledge I drop. Or like the gun on your side when the drama get hot. Chameleon through the streets cause they watching my eyes. Full time with the grind, get it started on top. Well known, still home, in and out of the box. Break a day with the 38, dodging the knocks. Put the hood with the gangsters, I'm watching the plots. Fake pins ain't part of the plan. Need weed, guns, and brands. I can handle that fam. The pie slice, but it's only for fam. A quick six-figure scam. I can handle that man. It's real life, I got blood on my hands and make the product expand. I can handle that fam. The fuck scram trying to front of my clan. It'll only take a grand just to handle that man.
Only the elite who can walk these streets with jewels and not get stuck. Niggas didn't give a fuck. Real G's know I'm talking about. Taking what you making, stripping what you wearing, caring about nothing. Gun barrel in your face, cold steel on your cheek. This is how we meet and greet. Enemy across the street, leaning on his road with Jeep, smiling, showing all teeth. See the sun in my hood, it ain't all sweet. And you haven't earned the respect of those who come creep and take money. So you just fool the niggas come eat, and they don't get no chain back. You might see them rocking that. Fuck you looking at, problem needs solving. You see that big B-57 thing revolving.
Part of your medulla oblongata. Test a rocket launcher, then get conquered by my block sponsors. Monster talker truck ya, the whole train conductor. The hole in your spleen rupture your stomach, motherfucker. Rubber supper, my Dutch pumper, sinister defense. Infrared sighting on the Glock, split in your hand. Dripping wet from death threat messages I inject. Intellect reflects real wide over internet. Hard colder than winter fresh, chest smoking like incest. That's broken into the flesh, soaking in your own mess. Chrome flesh, some of the known best soldier vets. Over cassette, you get smashed like crash sets and air shows, holding your breath. Gas for a bit of oxygen. Submission put a stop to men, but build a foul document. Locking precision and vision, adapt critical condition. Pitiful, you didn't listen. Now a spiritual blessing, viewer discretion advised. Sabotage, shatter lives, splatter guys. Get your food ate like a Big Mac and fries. Trap knives to the thighs, symbolize real life. Conceal pride, get fucked from the inside to the outside. In your mouth lies the barrel, subdue bone marrow. Your tone shallow, blown from high explosive bone battles. Don't smack, you live projectiles affecting you. Incredible new wave art, play sharp verses sexing you. Claim professional, but I never met you. Son, I never forget you. I slaughter foes when I water hoes wet you.
Fake pins ain't part of the plan. Need weed, guns, and brands. I can handle that fam. The pie slice, but it's only for fam. A quick six-figure scam. I can handle that man. It's real life, I got blood on